Let's learn how to find your TikTok password if you forgot it. So if you want to log into your TikTok account but you forgot your password and don't want to go through the boring process of resetting it, then we've got you covered. The first step of finding out TikTok password is through the TikTok application. After you do that, click on the password section, and then your keyboard is going to show up with the autofill option. When you see your TikTok username at the top of the keyboard, simply click on it and it will automatically enter your password and you can log into your account. But if you don't see or don't have the autofill option enabled on your device, then let's use another method of finding your TikTok password. Open the settings on your device, and then scroll down until you find the password section. Open it, and then you'll see a list of all your emails and passwords on this device. Click on the search bar and then search for TikTok. I have a couple of TikTok accounts on this device, so I'll select my account on which I want to see the password. You're going to get to this page where you will see your email or username, and you want to tap on the password section to see your TikTok password. You can now copy your password and use it to log into TikTok. That's how you can find your TikTok password without the need to recover it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.